I have many hobbies that I love to do in my free time. One of my favorite hobbies is reading books. I enjoy diving into exciting stories and learning about new places and characters. Another hobby I enjoy is playing soccer with my friends. It's a great way to stay active, have fun, and work as a team. I also like to draw and paint. Creating pictures with bright colors lets me express my imagination and relax. Sometimes I spend time in the kitchen baking cookies and cakes. I love experimenting with different recipes and sharing delicious treats with my family. Playing the guitar is another hobby I enjoy. I practice different songs and enjoy making music. On weekends, I like to go hiking with my family. Exploring nature trail and seeing beautiful scenery is always an adventure. Additionally, I have a collection of cool rocks that I find during my hikes. Collecting rocks and learning about them is really interesting. Each of my hobbies brings me joy in a different way, and I love spending time doing these activities. They help me learn new things, stay active,